Good morning, I am Avi from class 2C.
காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் நிவ்யவர்ஷினி. நான் 2ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவில் படிக்கின்றேன். நம்ம டோரா புஜ்ஜி நேர்ல பார்த்தா மாதிரியே இருந்துச்சுல, அருமை.
Dance with cartoons. What a fantastic performance by our class 1 students.
இப்பொழுது மேற்கத்திய நடனத்தை உற்சாகத்துடனும் முகமகிழ்ச்சியுடனும் நடனமாட வருகிறார்கள் என் தோழர்கள் மற்றும் தோழிகள். பார்த்து ரசிப்போமா?
Now let us see what our class 2 students will do. We are thrilled to welcome you to an amazing performance of rhythm, grace and artistic expressions of class 2 with the theme of Western dance.
Can we all clap and encourage them? Parents can clap and encourage them. Wow, what a little moves. செல்வம், யார் இவங்கெல்லாம்? நம்ம ஜிபிஎஸ் தமிழாக்கள். வாவ், சூப்பர். Cheer up, parents. What a graceful performance.
Macho, you're nacho. Have a touch it all with into two acho. Macho, macho. Have a speak it down, go your kicho. Dreaming, like it in flower shower acho. Sleepy morning, so comes snooze acho. Oh gala gala gala, me classy. Oh gala.
Na 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 na
Prabhudevas. Give a big round of applause to them. Excellent. Extraordinary.
Can you feel the power? Terra, fire. Stronger. Can you feel the power? Terra, fire.
Stage அதிருதுல. Wow, see our Michael Jackson on the stage. Oh, what a moonwalk.
Give a big round of applause to them.
They're going to break the stage.
The way she came into the place, I knew I'd been in there. There was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every head turned, feeling passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. The girl was
Lady Michael Jackson.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my
Marvelous.
lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Shut up, parents, shut up.
You make me a believer,
Shut up. உங்கள் கரகோஷங்களை எழுப்புங்கள்.
you build me a believer, believer. Hey, let the borders fly
என்ன அழகாக சிவப்பு ரோஜாக்களும் நீல ரோஜாக்களும் பூத்து குலுங்குகின்றன.
Graceful performance.
நாங்க ப்ளூ கலர் ட்ரெஸ் போட்டு வந்து ஆடினாங்க. என்ன மேம் நடக்குது இங்க?